right, welcome to the R&R Network. I'm Roger. Lisa's at work. I work too, just for your information. But today we'll be doing Life with Dogs, and let's see how the little guys are doing. He's over there doing his thing. So yeah, let's take a look, and we'll be back. Lee is waiting for dinner, but before we get dinner served, we gotta put out his placemat and get the dog grooming stuff ready to go, because every day we groom the dogs, brushing, probably a nail clip, one nail clip today. I do one nail every day in a rotation, and then take a break, and then we repeat all over again. So yeah. And dinner has been served on his Matsuri, what is that called? Food thing? Placemat. One was already finished. Oh no, licking the goodies. So we moved their feeding area to back, feeding and grooming area back here, or I did, because it's just more calming back here, not a lot of distractions. I could control things better, and it's quieter, so they could just, you know, relax. No one's walking around them all the time. So I changed their feeding and grooming thing to here. So in the evening, in the morning it's still over there because no one goes out there. So mogu mogu, and it's homemade food. So
well,
right.
Like we're trained to do tests also not to fail, because if you fail the test, you fail the school.
Yeah, well that's what I meant. Yeah, that's, yeah, exactly. You can turn on that.